Hi friends, welcome to our new channel Ionic Education. This is Ritvik of 8th class. My aim is to share my knowledge to my friends and I will share regularly with new concepts of education. Today we are discussing about matrices based on maths. Let us start. First, talk about a concept of matrices. A matrix is a array of real numbers arranged in a row and columns. And talk about the order of matrices. The horizontal arrangement of a element is called row, and vertical arrangement of element is called columns. Vertical arrangement of a element is called columns. The number of rows and number of columns of matrices is called order of matrices. Order of matrices we can denote it as m into n. M is what means number of m is what? Number of rows, and n is number of columns. I am showing as an example as in matrices how many rows are there? There are 2 rows. See, there are 2 rows, 1 and 2. There are 2 rows. I wrote as 2 here. And in columns, in matrices, how many columns are there? 3 columns. Then I wrote this 2 into 3. 2 means row and 3 means columns, like that. And talk about square matrix. Square matrix is that means that in square matrix rows and columns are must and should be equal. Then only it called as square matrix. And talk about rectangular matrices. A matrix is called rectangular matrices if the number of rows and columns in the matrices are not equal. Before we talk about the square matrix, our rows and columns are equal. But in this matrices, rectangular matrices, rows and columns are not equal. Then it is called rectangular matrices. Then talk about row matrix. A matrix is called row matrix if it contain only one row. In row matrix, present tense will exist, but columns will not present. In this matrices only the row will present. Then only is called row matrix.